Hey guys, back with another video from my blogging channel. So I have the OnePlus Nord C4 and a lot of people are asking me they are not finding this particular theme on the phone which looks absolutely beautiful. You can see whenever I will be clicking the button, it will just give this game on animations, and it also shows you the step count and other information directly on the lock screen and on the always on display, which looks really good. And this theme, a lot of people are asking, they are not getting on the OnePlus Nord C4 and they want to activate this. While I unlock, you can see it unlocks the phone, but there is a nice animation also. So in this video I will be showing you guys how you can activate this really good game on theme on the OnePlus Nord C4, or how to edit this theme according to your choice. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are at enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So to activate this theme, you need to go to the settings and you will be able to see the wallpaper and style option. And in the wallpaper and style, I have already activated the theme. Go to the more themes option, and once you go to more theme option, also you can see some basic themes will be there, not the game on theme you will be finding here. So in the aerial view also you can see other words are there, and in the composition also you can see other themes are available. So how to get this theme, let's see. So to get the theme, what you need to do is come to the settings, and here we'll be getting the option of wallpaper and style. You need to click on there and you will get multiple themes which you have already set, and definitely you will also get the option of clicking on more themes or my themes. I will recommend you to check the themes here, and any theme you need to click on where you will be getting the text as fast, or there will be a default theme of brilliant which you have already seen. And once you click on that theme, you just need to click on this text and you will get the word art style as this: cute, brilliant, keep moving. And here you need to select the game on text. This is how I have got the game on theme. And once you find this theme, you just can actually change the color of the text from here and edit it as per your choice, or change the wallpaper also. So I will go to the theme which I have already created, the game on one, and here you can see I have done the same thing. The text are the same and the brilliant theme will be there. You can click on that also and change it to something like game on. Once you have done that, you can change the color also. So to change the color, you can see I can just select any of the colors out there. I have selected the red one because it goes with the wallpaper. And obviously you can change this wallpapers as per your choice. And once you have done this, you can click on match lock screen to get the similar wallpaper which you have set. And to get the depth effect also, you can just click on the depth option and the depth effect will be there, which will give it a really good look. And here you can also change the way it will show the additional info. I have selected the step count here, and the clock font also you can change, and the color also I have selected the same as the game on text. I applied the theme and you will be able to see the same theme has been applied, and the animation looks really good because of the way it is designed. And obviously once I unlock, I will be getting a really good animation also here. So this is how you can get the game on theme, and not only the game on theme but also the different themes like fast, brilliant, keep moving and cute. And the same thing you can actually configure on your phone and change the wallpaper as per your choice. I have created some of the themes and I will not recommend you to delete any of the themes which you have created. If you go to my themes, you will be able to see there is a delete option. If you delete the themes, you will not be getting it back. As you can see, if I delete it, the theme is gone, and also the other themes also you will be not getting back in here. So this is a little bit tricky. OnePlus has designed the Flux themes here, and you have to make sure you are selecting and keeping the correct themes out there, and actually it looks really good. So if I apply this one also, I've created this one, it actually gives a really good vibe to the phone, and the way it displays the text really looks good, and also gives it a really good animation while I will be opening the phone or seeing the always on display out there. So Definitely, this is what I wanted to show you guys, how to get these good looking themes on the OnePlus Nord C4. And if you are not getting the brilliant theme, or if you have already deleted it, I will recommend you to just reset the phone once and check whether the themes are coming or not. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.